The government has brought over-the-top OTT platforms or digital video streaming service providers such as Netflix, Amazon Prime and others under the ambit of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The step has been taken in order to maintain the standards of traditional and digital/online content owing to multiple complaints by the people of the country concerning the things being shown online. OTTs are streaming media services that streams content online. They stream content directly on internet through some means such as mobile applications. Government sought a third-party interference to maintain the content released in India. Since OTT is the only platform that was self-regulatory, even though it is equivalent to similar platforms like television and radio, the government shifted the administration of this sector to MIB. With the issuance of the Gazette notification, the Government of India will be able to keep a check on the content on over-the-top OTT platforms as well as on the news and current affairs content on online platforms. The issue of content regulation has always been important in India because of the diverse nature of Indian society in terms of culture, religion, economic status, caste and language. Article 19, which gives a fundamental right to freedom of expression, comes with reasonable restrictions of decency and public morality, public order, defamation, incitement to offences, etc. Anticipating the government's intervention, in January 2019, video streaming services had signed a self-regulatory code that laid down a set of guiding principles for content on these platforms. The code adopted by the OTTs prohibited 5 types of content, which include the content promoting terrorism and child pornography, maliciously content which disrespects the national emblem or national flag, and content that has been banned for exhibition or distribution by law or court. The impact of regulation of OTT could also mean that these platforms would have to apply for certification and approval of the content they wish to stream. The multiple benefits of using OTT platforms and the reasons for their rising popularity in no time in India are cost-effectiveness, easy access. They have become a platform for international content and open platform for entertainment industry. Its drawbacks include effect on social political harmony, absence of regulatory board and threat to culture and tradition. India is currently the world's fastest growing OTT, over-the-top streaming, market, and is all set to emerge as the world's 6th largest by 2024. The regulation policy also leads to digital awareness among the consumers and increases viewer responsibility. There has been no objection from the OTT platforms regarding the notification, and general public can be seen happy by the step.